From the panels, remove the strap covers on the back. There are two configuration possibilities: L version, S version. Also included is the screw kit. Once the configuration has been chosen, on the back of the panel to insert the toothed nuts into the chosen holes and secure them with a rubber mallet. Stack the panels. Panel B goes on top of panel A. Assemble a socket screw, a silver washer, and insert the hole into the central slot on the panel. Repeat the operation for the other holes. Take a hexagonal spanner. Tighten the newly positioned screws. Find the perfect configuration for you. Insert the screw into the two rubber and silver washers. Insert the components into the central slot on the back of the panel. Match the central hole in panel C with the bush fitted in the slot of panel A. Place a washer and a black screw in the hole to connect the panels, but do not over-tighten to allow the panel C to slide. Repeat the operation for the other panel. Position the panels on the saddle and choose the inclination according to the infographic printed on the panels. After choosing the inclination, place the toothed nuts in the chosen holes on the back of the panels AB and fix them with a rubber mallet. Turn the bag over and place two screws and washers in their respective holes. Tighten all screws. Equip yourself with a 4mm Allen key. Tighten the central screw using both spanners. Reattach the strap covers on the back of panels. To protect the motorcycle fairings, we recommend applying a protective film. Position the panels on the motorbike seat. Remove the elastic loop. Pass the strap through the two loops. Insert the elastic loop from the end of the strap. Insert the end of the strap into the clamp. Tighten the belt. Roll up the excess and secure it with the elastic loop. Pass the strap through the inner slot at the bottom of the side panel. Wrap the belt in the motorbike frame. Insert the strap into the clamp and adjust the pull. Roll up the excess and secure it with the elastic loop. To protect the motorcycle fairings, we recommend applying a protective film. If your motorbike has one, run the third strap through the two upper plastic rings and anchor it to the rear frame. Insert the strap into the clamps and adjust the fastening. Repeat the step for the other ring. Cut the excess of the belt. Burn the end. Pass the strap through the inner slot at the bottom of the side panel. Wrap the belt in the motorbike frame. Insert the strap into the clamp and adjust the pull. Cut the leftover belt. Burns extremity. Insert the two 16-liter side bags into the side pouches. Pull the straps at the bottom of the bag to fit it properly. To ensure the bag is waterproof, close the strap and wrap the top end at least 3 times and close the clip. Tighten the side straps so that the bag remains compressed inside the pouch. Wrap the excess strap and secure it with the strap repeat step. Pass the sand-colored strap of the side panel under the clip of the bag and attach the central clip. Wrap the excess belt and secure it with the strap. Insert the 2 straps with clips into the side and front slots as shown in the video. Raise the lever of the clips to adjust the length of the straps. Attach the clips to the counterparts sewn onto the base. Once adjusted, close the lever. Roll up the excess and secure it with the strap. Repeat steps for all clips.